Yo,
Hi
guys.
guys, we're back, and I'm playing Roblox.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I want to be Killer Boss. I want the Killer Boss one.
You need $4,000. And by the way, I already started the video. Over.
Yeah.
We're on Zoom on Discord with my cousin Elijah, or you guys could already saw that.
It's not Leah's friend Elijah. It's a cousin Elijah, and you like me. Remember, Leah?
Yeah. Why do you have
Hey!
to buy this?
I already bought it.
No, you didn't. If you
Yes, I did. We can't get
Oh, someone's shooting at us. Someone's shooting at us. Die.
Die.
Go to sleep forever.
We both got him.
Yeah.
I think he's gonna shoot at us again.
No. I'm gonna
Where
pick
are
it.
you, Leah?
So we're gonna right here. So when we end the video, we're gonna end the video at 15 minutes because that's the maximum. Think that they can have it at. So.
When you collect the money, I'm gonna put the clam shield on you.
Okay.
Clam shield. Remember?
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna shoot us. He's shooting us. No way!
Elijah, get your money. I think you could get something.
No! You're bad!
They call me FaZe. They put me in FaZe. That's why my name is FaZe. Did he?
Yay! We got him.
No, we scared him away.
Okay, what do I need to buy?
A new weapon.
What is it?
Actually, no, you don't have enough. You have. I'm gonna put my thing right here.
Yeah, I can't buy the weapon.
You have 360. Elijah, is that you shooting at me or is that the guy?
It's me, but you can't be killed.
I know, so. This is copyrighted music. Okay, it's copyrighted music. Stop. It's copyrighted. I can't play it. But we like it, YouTube. Okay. We like it, YouTube. Oh, Elijah, you know how it's been 3 minutes already in the video? Elijah? I think he's frozen, guys. Lou? Elijah, come here.
Mommy!
Oh, get your money. Sorry. You're frozen.
I wasn't. I was moving.
No, you're frozen in Zoom. I meant Discord, guys. It's not Zoom. Fine, it's Zoom.
You moved me there.
Let me see. No,
It's on your head.
you need a little bit more money. Get your money when it hits $30.
30?
Yeah, because you're going to get the new weapon. And it's the wind staff.
Standing up on your head.
Look, get the money. Get them. Okay, you got it. Okay, you got it. You have to stand on my head. I'm trolling him. Go. Buy it.
Yay!
The wind staff, and the next one is $2,000. Oh, Elijah, let's see if we can get up to their bases.
But I can't shoot.
Let's go after her. Let's go chase her. To make her scary.
Okay. I'm getting her.
I'm chasing her.
I'm getting her with my old wand.
call me FaZe. That's what my username is, FaZe NBA.
Get out of here.
Come here, come on,
You're
come
gonna
on,
lose out.
come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Come on.
This is
Are
what
you gonna grab me?
I died in front of my YouTube channel.
Don't shoot at me.
I'm gonna stay here.
Okay. Ah, she killed me.
We're gonna also do some stuff off cam.
Where's Flipper?
We're doing a video from Zoom on my computer. They can't hear you.
Nila,
Yeah.
can you not post this one because I was on the video.
No, they can't see you.
Yeah, they can't see.
Who can they see?
They can only see me and Elijah on Roblox in my face.
What Roblox in your face?
Oh, 2 people are coming after us. Die, 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 die. Go to sleep forever. Elijah, we cannot say die because it's actually kind of a mean word.
Yeah, we got him.
We have to get him. Get him. Go to sleep forever. Go to sleep forever.
He died.
I know. Okay, I'm just gonna leave Elijah to fighting people.
I'm trying.
Sorry, cousin, but I have to.
We both died. Because he shoot at me.
Oh, Elijah, do you think you can make it up there? Cause
No,
look,
I can't.
they have the potions.
Help me.
What? We
I
need.
can't. What if there's someone there?
There is. Oh, they both left. They're mine. Elijah, I need you to get your money and buy this.
Okay, I'm getting my money. I still have my bubble. There. I got
Okay.
my bubble.
Now it goes faster. Oh, someone's here. Someone's here. Someone's here. Someone's here. Someone's here. Right there.
They're shooting us again. He's shooting us.
This is what you get for messing with them.
Shooting us.
Oh, I killed her. I killed her and she killed me. Haha. You want to mess with them? They mess with us. No,
Yeah.
they mess with us. They,
He's coming again.
huh?
He's coming.
She doesn't want to fight me again. Fight me. Let's do it again. For
Ah! I died. Kuya! Fire!
Ow. Ow, that hurts. Okay, ow, that hurts. I'm playing. Prank, yeah.
He's coming!
What?
He's coming! Get your one!
I'm about to grab my special. Come back! Come back at me now. Huh, huh, huh. You're scared now, huh? This is why you never pull out a Nilo. My friend Elijah learned. So, he knows never to mess with a Nilo, huh?
I want to get the Killer Boss one.
It's $4,000.
I'm coming! I didn't get killed!
Okay, Elijah, I need you to buy something.
Ah! He shoot at me! They keep shooting us! I'm gonna shoot at Blue.
Okay, Elijah, come here. Come here and get your money, and I need you to buy something. Okay, come. And buy this. We need to get more. Buy this and buy something else. Come and buy this to upgrade. Upgrade the conveyor walls, and that's it. Now we're making money so much faster.
Passing our base.
I know, because she doesn't want to mess with us.
Oh, she's coming. Oh, she's coming. Ah, she's coming. Okay, I hide. I was hiding.
You scared me. I thought they were coming.
Oh, she's going around. She's coming again. She's coming around the thing.
Elijah, we have 5 more minutes of the video
Okay.
before it ends. Okay, come. Buy this, and buy this. We need to get the wall. On here. Elijah, I can't stop jumping. You're lagging me out.
Oh, she's going in. She's in.
How?
She went in here.
She's upstairs.
Follow me. I know where she went.
She took our weapon.
Hey, you Betty.
You laddie.
She went from here.
I know.
She went from there.
I'm gonna go mess with her.
I'm gonna go mess with her too.
Let's go mess with her.
Yeah.
Well, she's not at her base. What the heck? Oh, I see her.
Where is she?
She's right there.
Oh, she's right there.
I need to play a pipe music. Coffee dance. Oh my god, I'm about to die. Come on.
Where are you?
Got her! She killed me, I got her! That's what I call her.
I'm inside your bubble.
You know that protects us?
I want to get that. I
What?
want to get that.
Get what?
That thing. That yellow thing.
Which yellow
We
thing?
can't get it. We need a broomstick or something.
$500? Oh my god. She's in here
you-
again.
He killed me.
She was born in 2000. He was born in 2010 because it says Silver God 2010. Ha!
Oh, come on. Where are you, Kuya?
She died. She's dead.
You dead?
Yeah, she's dead.
I'm shooting at you.
Okay, let me buy this walls. She can't come in. And I need more money.
They keep fighting us.
I know. She's like so mean. She's.
Face out thing.
Elijah, the video's about to end in a couple of seconds.
Okay.
How did you die?
I'm gonna shoot the cannon. I'm gonna shoot the cannon.
I want to buy the other wall before the video ends. Come on. If I do it in that seconds, make sure to subscribe. Oh. Darn it. I can't do it. Bye.